Now I'm going to show you another 3 things on Stardoll. Let's go. They are on the mini shop. Go to the mini shop. Here. Go to decor. Kit. Decor kit. Okay. Now, go to the second page. Here. Second page. It's a fallen cranium curtain. It's free. You can buy a lot of them. A lot. Buy. Now, go to the third page. Here. It's pink, cute cane. You can buy a lot. A lot. Yes. Buy. Now go to the last page. 6th. It's free. A pink, cute cane with a star. Buy. Also free are the colors for your room. You have a lot of colors, 5 pages, 9 pages, 13 pages. You have a lot of colors to put on your room, like them, red, and another colors. They are free, all they are free. Okay, these are the free things on Stardoll. Thanks for watching. Bye.